Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to guide you how to answer tutorial 3, okay, for chapter 3 alkene. Okay, so the first one usually on this naming and drawing, okay, naming and drawing compound. Okay, let's look at the first question, 1a. Okay, first you draw this expanded one first, okay. We draw the expanded one supaya awak tak keliru. CH2 CH CH2 CH, and then we have CH3 CH3. Okay, now you start numbering from here. Okay, so you need to start numbering from here. Start numbering from here. Okay. Why? Because it will give this double bond the lowest carbon number. Okay, so that's why you start numbering from here. This one will give because if you start numbering here, it will give this double bond lowest carbon number. So start here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, 5. Here, okay, like this. So the longest chain will be like this. Okay, kalau awak nak ambil macam 1, 2, 3, 4 and then this one is 5 pun boleh. Okay, pun boleh. Because the answer will be the same lah. Okay, so from here, we know that the longest chain will be 5 carbon. 5 carbon mean pentene. Okay, this one, okay, pentene. Okay, and then don't forget the position of double bond. Okay, this one double bond is attached to carbon number 1, so 1 pentene. So this is the parent chain. Okay, then the second one, you identify the substituent, which is this one. This is methyl. Okay, methyl at carbon number 4. So the substituent will be 4 methyl. And then the IUPAC name will be for methyl 1 pentene. So this is the name for this structure. Okay. Okay, next question B. Okay, this B, this compound has 2 double bond. Okay, this B has 2 double bonds. So B. Okay, we draw first. CH3 CH2 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 and then CH double bond C double bond CH CH3. Okay, so we start numbering. So we start numbering from this side. Okay, we start numbering from this side. So the name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 means that the name will be octa. Okay, octa. But here we have 2 double bond. So the name will be, here double bond is at carbon 2 and the next carbon double bond is at carbon 3. So if there are 2 double bond in this compound, so the name will be diene. Okay, here we have 8, so the name will be octadiene. Okay, sebab ada 2 double bond. And then don't forget to give the position of double bond. Okay, position of double bond is at carbon 2 and carbon 3. So 2, 3 octadiene. Okay, 2, 3 octadiene or octa dash 2, 3 diene. This one also boleh. Okay, 2, 3 octadiene or octa 2, 3 diene, either one. Okay, next question, question 1E. Okay, for cyclo, for ring structure. So this one quite tricky, so look carefully for this question. Okay, so 1E here, I draw it for you. Okay, I draw it back. So you start numbering from here. Okay, remember for alkene, for cycloalkene, you must include the double bond in the parent chain. Okay, you must include the double bond in parent chain, and also make sure the double bond is make sure you give the double bond a lowest carbon number. Okay, lowest carbon number. So we start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we start numbering from here, because if you start numbering from here, you will give these two double bond lowest carbon number, and also the substituent at lowest carbon number. Okay, so like this one, you will get 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the parent name will be cyclopentadiene. Okay, cyclopentadiene at carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. So this is the parent chain. Okay, the longest chain. And then second one, you identify the substituent. So this one you will give substituent 2, 2, 5 dimethyl. Okay, so the IUPAC name will be 2,5 dimethyl 1,3 cyclopentadiene. Okay, cyclopentadiene. So this is the IUPAC name for this one. Okay, next question will be 1F. Okay, 1F. Say 1F. So I draw it back here. You draw the expanded one. Okay, the expanded structure. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond C, CH2, CH3, and then we have here C, CH3, CH3, CH3. CH2, CH3. Okay, now first you find the longest carbon chain. Okay, make sure you include this double bond, and you give this double bond lowest carbon chain. Okay, so for this one, we're going to start numbering from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we start numbering. So this is the longest chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the name will be 3-heptene. Okay, and then you give the you identify the substituent. Okay, we have here 2,2-dimethyl, 2,2-dimethyl, and then here is ethyl, so 3-ethyl. So the name will be 2, 2, sorry, the name will be 3-ethyl first. 3-ethyl, 2,2-dimethyl, okay, 3-heptene. Okay, heptene, double bond. So that is the name for this one. Okay, for this one, okay, you can have, let me compare this one. Okay, so for this one, if you maybe some of you will get this answer. Okay, CH3, CH2. So there is another possibilities for the name of for this one. CC, CH2, CH3. This one will be CH3, CH3, CH3. Let's say, okay, maybe some of you will start numbering from here. Wait, maybe some of you akan dapat this parent chain. Okay, this one also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this one also 7 carbon, and also it will give this double bond at carbon number 3. Okay, for this one, the name will be this one, the name will be 3 butyl 3 heptene. You remember in chapter 1, I'm sorry, not chapter 1, chapter 2, alkane. Okay, if there is more than one possible longest chain, okay, so you need to choose the parent chain with more substituent. Okay, like this one, if you start numbering from this side, okay, start numbering from this side, you will get one substituent only. Okay, if you start numbering from this side, you will get 3 substituent. That's why I choose this one as its name, not this one, not this third butyl. This is not the name for it. Okay, because this one will give you more substituent. So you give me, so this will be the answer, not this one. Okay. Okay, let's move to this second question on the drawing. Okay, drawing the structural formula for this compound. Okay, 2-butane, I think no problem for you. Let's look at 2B, 1,3,5 heptatriene. Okay, so heptatriene. Hepta means we have 7 carbon. So you draw 7 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the double bond is at carbon 1, carbon 3, carbon 5. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just fill in the hydrogen. Hydrogen, hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, so 4. 1, 3, 4, hydrogen. Hydrogen. 1 hydrogen. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is 1,135 heptatriene. Okay, start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is question 2B. Okay, and then okay, next we try this question. Let's try this question, okay? Like question 2G. 2-ethyl 1,3-cyclohexadiene. So cyclohexadiene, we have 6 carbon and 2 double bond. So you draw 6 carbon. This G, okay? 6 carbon in ring structure, cyclohexadiene. So 6 carbon. 6 carbon, and then the double bond is at carbon 1 and 3. So you can draw anywhere you want double bond. So for me, I will draw here. When I draw here means that I start numbering from here or here. So let me choose this one. Okay, I start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. So the next double bond is here. Okay, and then so this one is 1,3-cyclohexadiene, and then the substituent is at carbon number 2, 2-ethyl. So 2-ethyl will be here. CH2CH3. So this one is 2-ethyl 1,3-cyclohexadiene. Okay. And then the next one will be, I think this one will be quite tricky for you. Question K, 2K. 2-phenyl 1,3-cyclopentadienes. Phenyl is this benzene as a substituent. Okay, phenyl is a benzene as a substituent. It will be something like this. Penta is 7. No, penta is 5. 5 carbon. So you draw 5 carbon first, cyclopentadiene. So you draw 5 carbon, and then the double bond is at carbon number 1 and 3. So I will start here lah. Okay, so I put my double bond here. So I will start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. So another double bond will be here. Okay, and then phenyl is at carbon number 2. So the phenyl, the substituent will be here, carbon number 2. So this is phenyl. Okay, this is phenyl. Or phenyl or benzene, you can also draw it something like this, with 3 double bond inside there. Okay, or you can draw it like you just draw a small circle in the middle. Okay, this is benzene. Okay, the name will be benzene. If there are as a substituent, the name will be phenyl. Okay, this one as a substituent. Phenyl. Phenyl. So this one is 2-phenyl 1,3-cyclopentadiene.